and welcome to our channel. That's Tanvi Narvekar and hope you all are doing great. So if you are new, thanks for stopping by. And if you are interested and in such kind of video, that is vlogs, daily routines, Indian cooking channel, all sort of thing I do in this channel. So if you are one of them, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to hit the bell icon besides, because if I upload a video you will be notified. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So shall we? Okay, so listening to the topic, and the title of this topic, you would actually come to know what the video is all about. So the video is all about my bag, what's in my bag kind of video. So what I carry on the on daily basis at my workplace, and everything is there in this bag. So this is what the bag looks like. It actually fits everything, and it has this strap also, so you can just go a slink way, or even if you have a rush, you can just wear this and just go like that. So it's all about that. And bag is supposed to be, for me, bag is supposed to be something that is to be light at its own weight, and once when I carry all sort of things into it, it should be very sustainably used for me. So hope you're getting what I'm gonna say and what I'm saying into this video. So without further ado, let's start. What is there into our bag? My bag. I'll just start. So the first thing that I see is my phone. So this is my phone. Then a notebook. Yes, a notebook that is required, because I am not a person who just go and add stuff into my phone or into my laptop, or just think to remind everything. So it's better that this book is very much handy, and I carry it all the time. So anything that I want to know, or something is clicking into my mind about the videos or anything, I can just note down in this book. And preferably, I love writing a lot, like things that I actually, if I don't even have a friends, there are few friends of mine, but not the whole sort that I can trust on. So there are very few friends of mine, and I am not a very person that the person who can go easily and just talk to them. I am not that kind of person. So whatever I feel, or whatever I am not very much open about anything. So these are the things, like I write in the notebook, and that's all that makes me calm. It's like therapeutic for me. I don't know whether you are about one of that. Please let me know in the comment section. So this is one, and this pen, or the different kinds of pens that have been attached to this. So there's no specification of any pens. I am lately into drawings and all sort of work, like paintings and everything. So all sort of work I am into, but I do just for my calming things that make me feel very much relaxed. So I'm one of that. So I cannot go on phone and just talk to a person and you'll feel okay. I'm not that kind of person. When I love staying alone, I am that kind of person, and so these are the things. Even if it is some people around there would be thinking, if anything is secret that you don't want to tell your parents or anybody, and not listening. But I don't feel I don't have faced such things, so I can't say anything about it. But for me, it's worthy to write everything into the book, and it feels more relaxable. I think so. And it is the one best side of this writing is like, once you are writing and when you come to know like what things you are doing in the past and are you doing the same things, so it's real, getting a habit of writing is like everyone must do. It's like, though the technology is so fast forward, but writing is something that I feel is therapeutic. For some people it won't, but some people, like people like me, you are there with me. So yeah, so my metro card, this is there into my bag. My office ID, that I'm gonna keep that side, I'm not gonna show you. So there is another zip over here. So the basic compartments are like this, like there are 3 compartments. So the middle one I'm just showing you. So in middle one there is a zipper like this, if you can see this is a zipper inside, and there I have kept my earpods. This is the company letter. I don't know why, but what is there, but there it is. That's there. So this compartment is like over, like this compartment, the middle section. Moving on towards the first section of the like purse is my makeup pouch. Now there are lots of stuff into this. Like I don't need everything on usual like daily basis, but few other products that I actually required on a daily basis. So just gotta show you the overall thing that I carry into my makeup purse. So the first thing that I see is this Nivea roll-on. So this one thing is like, I don't feel good applying spray every time. So this roll-on keeps a lot, like it says for 48 hours. Yeah, it keeps for 48 hours. And actually, if you know me, like Nivea is one of my favorite brand, and all of the people around there, that you can trust on this product like anything. So yeah, so this is one, like it should be there into my bag, like makeup bag. Then if you have seen my another favorite product, so you would know this is the savior of mine, like the Pro Concealer, LA Girl Pro Concealer. So now, since I'm using this, I don't apply any other products on my face. So yeah, this is one thing that I actually carry a lot, like in my all bags wherever I go. If I need anything to touch up, this is a lifesaver. If you want to invest in some good concealer, I would recommend for LA Pro Girl. Do not judge me, but I love using Johnson & Johnson's powder because I feel the aroma is nice, like this, like it just make me happy. So I just use a lot, like truly into my bag, like I carry, because it says that, and it's mild and can be used on like dry hairs. It's a great thing to use on your hair, on your scalp, for your bouncy hairs. So I have been using this a lot. This has been a hack kind of thing for me. So yeah, that's there. So this is the Lakme Absolute, the 3D matte lipstick, and the shade is purple. Okay, and it's a dark purple. So this is one of my another favorite product, and since it's Lakme, I love it. My mom also loves this product, so it's nice, and absolutely it don't stay a lot, but it has a 3D effect. So yeah, it's good. Then I have this sunscreen, Neutrogena. I don't know, like I don't stick a lot on sunscreen a lot, so it's like I keep on switching sunscreens a lot, and I use all the time. It's like 50 plus. Yeah, that's what I use. I don't know, like I don't know why I did buy this Neutrogena. There is no specification for purchasing sunblocks. I don't know, like there is no specification, but yeah, there is there. So it's like okay for me. I am okay with that. So this is Huda lipstick, the nude color. Why I chose this as a nude color lipstick, because whenever you are in meeting or something, you just cannot pop up with the bright colors out there, so you just require some nude colors to be going on, and some, even if it is not the subtle colors such as red, the blood red would go a lot, like dark blood red would go a lot on your office attires or anything. But if you are applying any oranges lipstick or oranges shade, it's not gonna work a lot on yours when you're going out for a meeting or anything. So nude colors are just best in that period of time. So this is the for that purpose I have purchased this. Otherwise there's no such specification why I do love nude colors or anything. I love changing colors, like if there are brighter colors, I love pop up on my skin and everything. It's like just give a lot of radiant, but this texture is very nice of Huda lipstick. So it's one because of office person. If you are going in the office, nude lipsticks are the best. Or even if you are not into lipstick, lip gloss are the savior. I have the Nivea one, but that is not here in this bag, but that's one is there into my bag always. So iconic kajal, yes, do require. So it's not like whenever if I get time in like at home to get ready and everything, it's okay. But many a times it's like we get into office, we have our 15, we reach our office, and then we can do actually the basic necessity whatever required, a small sort of touch up and everything. For that purpose I have kept the spare thing is there into my another package there that is kept in back in home itself. So this is the iconic mascara again. Even if I'm not wearing kajal or eyeliner or something, mascaras are like savior for everything, I would say. Like it makes our eyes wide open, and you know the eye speaks a lot when you wear mascara. That's what I feel it. So yeah, that's one thing. For that thing I'm using the hand sanitizer, Dettol hand sanitizer. If you know me very well, like I am a very hand sanitizer person. Like wherever if I go, wherever, like you know, if anything, if you're going in public toilets, if you don't even have water in there, like in India, public toilets are very problematic, and so this is there required a lot and for many purposes. So I even have this Huda Beauty brush, so it's like just apply it and you're okay, all sort of thing. So that's there. So as I told you, I don't apply like foundation anymore since when I started using the LA Pro concealer. So this is the Maybelline Fit Me foundation. I have purchased since a long time, and I didn't even have used a lot. So if you see the package, it's the full package and I don't know when I am gonna use it. I think I'll use it whenever, like any wedding or kind of thing, but not as such. For any special occasion I would, but I am okay with LA Pro, so if I do require to finish this product, so yeah, I am gonna do this. I'm not gonna waste any sort of thing that I have purchased. So this is the nail paint that I have purchased from local market. The shade is nice, the purplish color. So yeah, that's random color that I chose because I was out with my friends shopping, so I do require something. So, and this is one, the red color, this is one of my favorite you know, the nail color. And I have purchased this from Hypercity. I think I got 3 shades, 3 shade E. Yeah, the color range of this is very nice. It's called from company called TS, and this color is Bloody Mary, and it is real awesome. Like once you apply it, it's gonna stay for, you know, at least for a week kind of thing. So this is like savior once you are doing a nail color. PS brand has that. I think this bottle cost me. I think this bottle cost me for 75 rupees. So yeah, 75 rupees. So this is one of it. So I have purchased from Hypercity. I don't know whether it's available in any other markets or any other stores over there. So yeah, this is another lipstick shade. I've been using this a lot. This is the pink color, like not into pink total, a pomegranate color. So it's from a local market and it suits a lot on my skin structure. So if you are gonna buy into some local markets, you can go and buy this product. Okay. So since I am married, I need to carry chudas. So in necessary cases. So this is the LA eyeliner. So I don't know the price of it because the package is the sticker over there are just gone, so I'm not so sure about this. So it's a eyeliner, basic eyeliner. I love it because it is not messy. You just need it, you just apply it. This is also from Blue Heaven, the red color lipstick. I'm lost into lipstick these days. I don't know why, but yeah, I am into lipstick these days. And the shade is from E402 402 matte. So this is one thing that I love. This lipstick is like amazing. So yeah, so if you want to buy it, you can just buy it. It's from Blue Heaven. Then some rubber bands and some pin and few more rubber bands and some coins as well. I don't know why that is doing into this makeup pouch, but it is there. And this is the Body Shop lipstick. It's like old, very old package. So that's what it's all removed. And if you know like me very well, like I'm a great fan of Body Shop products. So yeah, I love them and I just purchased it. This was my very first purchase in my life that I've been using, but then I stopped using this. I don't know why, because one of the reason would be like it don't stay constant, like you just apply it. It has a moisturizer. It's good for your lips and everything, but it has a moisturizer. But it don't stay a lot on your lips, so it's like always whenever you drink or whenever you eat, you need to apply. Whenever you drink, you need to apply. So I'm a person who like just apply once and it's all sort of the day. So I don't have that much time to always apply it, make look presentable and everything. That's not one of mine. So just there into my bag in case if I don't carry a lip chap, like as if not there today, into this bag, so I can apply it, and that's it sort of. And some band-aid into this. So this section is all over, and here are the few section, and here as well. So in the last section I have some earrings. So these rings are also purchased from Hypercity. Yeah, Hypercity. And the another jhumkas also are there. They are another random kajal. I don't know why it is going into this bag, but if you know me, I'm a great fan of kajal. So yeah, so that's there into our bag. And so this makeup pouch is also, oh shit, that was a coin. That was a coin. So yeah, that's the end of this package, like not package but makeup pouch. The next section is like, the first section is very much over, like there is only this bag can stay, like the makeup kit stays over here. The last is this section. So I have my wallet over there and my glasses. Yeah, and my glasses and my wallet over there, and then it's nothing. So in my wallet, this is my wallet. I have to change this, but it's like blue prettyish color. So, and it was gifted for me on Diwali last year, I suppose. I don't remember it. So it's there. So there are in the this is what my wallet look like. It's messy, don't just judge me on this. So here are my cards that holds my PAN, Aadhaar and debit, credit card. Money, oh god, I have money in this wallet. I don't usually keep a lot, but maybe my husband or someone. Then this is my folder for everything, like visiting cards and everything. So this is one there. My pass for train and everything. It's into this pouch itself. Then there's a section over here where you need to keep coins, and there are some more cash into this section, and some random bills for my shoppings and everything that have been going lately. So yeah, that's there into this bag. So not much fancy things that I carry into my bag or something like. So it's there. And the glasses, I don't remember from where did I purchase this. I think I purchased this from Hypercity, and the shades are like this. So so yeah, that's it, what is there into my bag, and hope you enjoy watching this video. If you enjoy it, please do subscribe to my channel, like, share, and take care. Stay at home and stay safe. Until then, bye bye.